Today's video is the continuation of infertility. The last video I did about infertility, I talked about how infertility goes down with age for both men and women. I went to see your doctor. If married couples or partners desire to have a baby, have been trying for 6 months to 1 year with unprotected sex, and there's nothing to show for it, and there's no conception or pregnancy, then you need to visit your doctor. So today I will be treating the likely causes of infertility in men. If I have enough time, maybe I'll talk about the causes of infertility in women. But if not, so I'll just talk the men, then do another video on women, right? Okay, let's get started. How are you, everyone? I hope you are all doing fine. Yes, my name is Lami, and I thank you for always watching my video and for following me, sharing my video. I did not take it for granted at all. It is the people that loves you that show this kind of gesture. So I'm really grateful that you are doing that for me. And if you are watching me and you have not yet joined my page or my YouTube channel, please click that button and join me. My name is Lami Oiza Diary. Join me, share. I keep saying share. You know why? Because you that is watching me might not really need this information that I'm bringing out, that I'm giving out. But somebody desperately needs it somewhere. If you share and somebody else share, with time it will get to that person. You know what you have just done? You just save a soul, or you just help a soul. Like I was saying, I have a 15 years delayed in childbearing. And that time, there was no much information outside. That time, people are not talking like this on social media. It was like I'm alone in this journey. You know, you visit your doctor, you came out crying. The doctors are not even helping matter. Instead of them to explain in a layman language for you, they just, you know, doctors, they don't like talking too much. They are just brief. But here, we discuss it and we try to explain it more broadly so that you can get to know when to take action. So it's not that you don't know what infertility is. At that time, if somebody had told me that when you are trying to conceive and you have tried with unprotected sex for 6 months to 1 year, you should go see your doctor. Maybe things will have been different for me. So that's why I'm here saying it out from my experience, what I lack during my days of waiting. I'm here. And since then, I've been doing some research. So that's why in my video, if you've been watching me or if you have not watched me, you can go through my videos. I do put some home remedies that can also help you. So what am I saying? I'm not saying you should stop taking your medication if you have any. I'm not saying you should stop visiting your doctor or you should stop going to the hospital. All I'm just saying is we put everything together. And for those who believe in prayer too, I'm not saying you should stop praying because I'm a believer of God. We pray, we see the doctor or the specialist, then we try some home remedy. Everything works together for good, right? So, what is the causes or likely causes of infertility in men? Like in my last video, I said some men think it's only women that have problem. No, men too, they have. So most times, especially these days, you know, our doctors have really improved. When you visit your doctor that you are trying to conceive and it's not happening, they will invite your husband because they knew that most times the problem is from men. That is not the problem I mean from men is thinking that they are okay, that is their wife that need medical help. No. Sometimes both the man and the woman need medical help. Why sometimes it's even the man that needs the medical help. But when you both visit your doctor and the doctor run a test on you guys, and the doctor will know who to concentrate on, if it is the man or the woman. You get what I mean? So the doctors are really trying now with that. So, like I said, sometimes the causes is from men. That is, the problem is from the man. And what are the likely problems? How did they dictate that this problem is the man's problem? They will evaluate the man. They will do sperm count analysis on the man. So infertility in men can be caused by different factors. Semen analysis is being done on the man. So age is also a factor that increases infertility in a man. Yeah, as you get older, your chances will be getting slimmer. Being overweight or obese can also cause infertility in a man. Excess alcohol intake and smoking, igbo, you know, I don't want to mention it because sometimes in Facebook there's some language or there's some things Facebook don't allow here. They'll strike the video. That's why I'm finding it difficult to mention, but I guess you will get it. When you smoke, excess smoking, that's why they always advise not to smoke. Then excess alcohol intake is huge too to infertility. Exposure to certain medication, like some men that is undergoing cancer treatment. So some of this medication can also hinder them to be fertile. It can reduce the fertility level. Yeah. So that's why sometimes people that are sick or that have cancer and they are going to be going treatment, most of their treatment is chemotherapy and radiation. So sometimes it's always good to visit your doctor, discuss it, so that they will give you the right advice on how to keep your semen so that it can be used later when you need it, or on how to, your doctor will know the best way to treat you, what to do. So always, before you commence on any treatment, always discuss with your doctor. And sometimes if you don't talk with your doctor, if you don't tell your doctor what you really want, sometimes they might not know, and sometimes they will even go through to that, they'll start treatment straight away. But when you are prepared, check internet, what are the likely side effects of this treatment you want to undergo, and so that you know the kind of question you write. And when you get to your doctor, discuss it with your doctor. That's when they will give you the best options. But if you keep quiet and you think your doctor will give you the best, sometimes it doesn't work that way. Yeah. So then, exposure to environmental toxin. Our environment are very polluted. They are very polluted. So sometimes it could be some of those toxins that we inhale, that we get in contact with, that is preventing fertility, preventing your reproduction. I don't want to go into detail because I'm not a doctor. I just want to bring a little bit of this to help any man going through or struggling with infertility. Most times, when you visit your doctor, they will do a semen analysis. Then this will make them know on how to commence your treatment. I want this video to be short because most people don't like watching long video. So I'm not going to be talking. I'm not going to be discussing about women, the causes of women. So my next video on infertility will be the likely causes of women not being able to conceive. And also, there are sometimes the man has no problem, and even the partner or their wife too have no problem. It's just not happening, because that was my own case. None of us have problem, but it was not happening. I hope you can take one or two things from this video you just watched. And thank you. I will stop here. So my next video on infertility will be the likely causes of infertility in women. Please share this video. Share. There's a lot of people that is going through this struggle. They say 10% of married couples struggle with infertility. Do you know what 10% means? 10%, not one. So a lot of people are struggling to conceive. And that's why I'm taking it upon myself to discuss this openly so that you know you are not alone in this journey. I can help you carry your burden by doing what I'm doing now, to support you with my experience, to support you with what I have researched and how you can go about it. Because some men, they even go into drinking because they are not happy. What they want is not happening, and resolve into drinking, which is not helping. It's even damaging your reproductivity. So that's why you need to share this. So I will stop here. And please, if you need any question, feel free to comment on my video. Please like the video, engage on it, share it. Like I said, you might be helping a soul out there. Thank you. I'll stop here till I see you again in my next video. Bye for now.